Three myths about credit repair. Number one, people think credit repair is illegal. Credit repair is 100% legal. There are actually laws that govern credit repair. The reason why they have to have laws is because credit reporting agencies like TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, they report things to your credit inaccurately all the time. And according to the law, everything has to be 100% accurate, it has to be 100% timely, and it has to be 100% verifiable. If they can't verify it, if it's not on time, they have to remove that off your credit. So credit repair is 100% necessary because things get reported inaccurately, or somebody might even steal your identity and get stuff put on your credit that's not really yours. You might even just be the wrong name. You have multiple instances where people with the same name, first and last name, but might have junior and senior on it. The dad's negative credit might show up on the son's credit report, and you have to go through some type of credit repair to get that fixed. So credit repair is not illegal. It's 100% legal, and sometimes you just have to do it. Number two is that people think credit repair takes forever. And look, I understand. You've been with many people before who you've paid for credit repair and they have not performed. I had a company before in my past that did the same thing. I'm not going to name no names right now, but y'all probably know who I'm talking about. So I was paying these people like $179 a month or whatever it was. They would get some results on the first month. After that, it would take like 3, 4, 5, 6 months before they really did anything else. But you pay them every single month. And, that's not the way to go about it these days. We have a program. We have a proven strategy where some of our clients have came in on our rapid program and have gotten results. A lot of our clients have gotten results within the first 5 hours of signing up with us. 5 hours of signing up with us. We're not waiting months to clean your credit. We need your credit clean as fast as humanly possible so that we can get you on to your next step in life. Credit is just a big roadblock for a lot of people. So our main goal is not to keep you doing credit forever. We want to get your credit done as fast as we can because we also do business funding. So let us fix your credit. Let us move you on to funding and help you to get further along in life. Number three is that people think that credit is just too bad. There's no such thing. I can't tell you how many clients have come to me with bad credit and they say, man, I thought my credit was really horrible. No, I've seen worse. Your credit is not that bad. It doesn't matter what situation you're in. Bankruptcies, foreclosure, repo, it don't matter what it is. Your credit can still get fixed. So don't ever think that it's too bad. And like I said before, everything has to be 100% verifiable. It has to be 100% accurate. 99% of the time, I've seen that every credit report has at least one thing that's inaccurate on there. I don't think I've ever seen a credit report that has no inaccuracies at all. So because you have inaccuracies on your credit, you can go through credit repair and remove the negative items. And like I said, this does not take forever. If you go with somebody and they're like, man, yeah, it's going to take 12 months, 18 months, it really doesn't take that long.